like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and then likes them.
Hi guys, I got my Temu bag out. If you're new here, I'm Deb, and I do a lot of unboxings of different kinds. And on Fridays, I like to do Temus. Sometimes it ends up being Saturdays, sometimes it ends up being Thursday, but I try for Friday. And so I have my Temu bag out, and I put in quite a big order, I don't know, a week and a half ago, so it'll be another good one coming. But I have several things here. First thing I'm going to show you is these. Now, I already took them out because the FedEx guy just threw them at my door, so I wanted to make sure they weren't damaged. But these, they fold like this, and they have, they fold like this. Great. But they also fold up like this, and they have a steel frame, so they're very sturdy. Okay, and then also this, you can see inside, but there's also Velcro on the side here to hold it shut. And as many of you know, I don't have much storage space, so in my back room in here, my laundry room, there's wire shelves, those big wire shelves. And so I was going to put, I have where I can put, I have one already, and in that I put a king size sheet set plus about probably 10 pillowcases, because yes, that's how many pillows are on my bed. And then I also have a king size blanket, and I can put it all in one of these. So I thought, well, those would be good for towels and all that stuff too, and that way I can kind of stack them but yet know what's in them. So that's what I got, those, and I got 4 more of them. We'll check out later. I might be able to get more too if I needed to. Okay, then I got this, and I have no idea what it is. Yeah, I opened that because the FedEx guy dropped it off, but he threw it at the glass on my door, and I was like, I don't even know what that is. You could. So that's why I opened that. And this is another one of those cups. It's like the Stanley cup, but it's one of the bigger ones. And it's, but my car is at my sister's house, so I have a car, but we were waiting on the title. Now we got the title, and now we need to be able to get up there, or they're going to bring it to me or something. So yeah, well, and that comes with a straw, but I can't get a straw anyway, so there's no point in opening it. Yeah, I have extreme digestive problems, and you don't drink out of a straw if you have extreme digestive problems. So there's that. Let's open this. These are, I believe, anklets, because I got anklets because I wanted to be able to use, I don't know what the heck this is. Oh yeah, it's got 2 of them in it. That's all. We'll just open one. I was going to take them and use them. Now these are bracelets, but they're the gold tone. Well, actually, no, they are anklets. They could be anklets. So I could use the extender, because so many of these bracelets are so small. So I thought if I got anklets, of course I'll try them on my arms, and I can sell the other ones as size small, and these are size medium or something. But there's quite a few of different kinds in here. Let's see what. In this one, there's all kinds. I don't know how many I actually got here. Quite a few, it looks like. And here's the shell one. There's a couple more gold chain ones. I dropped one. And it's a gold chain one with little blue things on it. Which is this in it? So I think there was like 10 or something. And they were for next to nothing. So I figured I can put 5 of them together. Selling for $5. Here's a white one. Here's a multicolored one. So there's just all kinds of them. There's one with a cross on it. There's just all kinds of them, and I figured that's what I would do. Here's one. I don't know what the heck this is. I have no idea. But anyhow, so we have that. And those were all in one package, and I ended up getting, and there's like 4 different ones in here. So I will just split those later. Oh, that was my old shit. Okay. I have no idea what this is. I think I do. Actually, I think I do. Okay. Okay, this was free, so I know it was free. Darn baggy. You can't find the seal right away. Crazy things. This is just, you know. Look, it's got a big strap too. It's got a little tote bag. Okie dokie, you'll like that. Because, you know, she's so damn prissy. Last week when I had her, she told me, I said, Oakland Renee. And she said, I'm not Oakland, I Okie. She's already figured out that Oakland Renee means, you're in trouble. She said, I'm not Oakland Renee, I Okie. Sure you are. You can be whatever you want to be, little girl, as long as it's not Johnny Bench. What I always told my dad, you lied to me. You said I could be whatever I wanted to be. I wanted to be Johnny Bench. Come find out, I can be Johnny Bench. Couldn't be Pete Rose either. That's okay, because he wasn't very good. Very nice to kids. He was a heck of a ball player, but he wasn't very nice to kids. FYI. He does deserve to be in the Hall of Fame, though. Sorry. It's for what he did on the field, not what he did off. Now this, I really want to check out. Because in my bedroom, I have chandeliers on both sides of my bed. Crystal chandeliers. They're not real crystal. They're plastic crystal. But I had gotten them years ago at Hobby Lobby. And they were in the fire. And they got kind of icky in the fire. Ooh, those are pretty. That will work. Oh my gosh, those are pretty. These were kind of cheap. But, yes, these don't have lights. However, some people may not want them with lights. These kind of remind me of the lamp that my mom had that I called her Indian Giver. But, anyway, I'm going to get some LED strips and just put like in the center here, or even an LED bulb and put in there. That would be really pretty. And this one was free, and I paid for the other one, so I have them both. So isn't that pretty? Oh, I'm happy with that. Because the other one, it's got like soot. The ones I have in there now, I can't get the soot out. You know, because they are beads and not crystals. So they're, you know, but I can't get the soot out. I've tried everything and I can't get it out. So I'm happy. Yeah, I can't get the soot out. I might try, I don't know. I don't know what I might try. I probably ain't gonna try crap, let's be honest. Because when I get something that works, then I'm not gonna do it again. And then these, I got these. I didn't know I was getting these. They were in my cart, turned off, and I don't know, must have accidentally turned them on, you know, but I will have kids this year, so there's that. But anyway, here's these, and this is the wire package for the lights, you know, but I don't have a covered porch, but I think it goes And I do live where we do have lots and lots of them. I'm just gonna, no, it goes this way, it goes backwards. I was going backwards. But anyway, there you go. There is your lights for it. And this is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have lights down here, I believe, in the pumpkin part. And then the eyes are supposed to glow in the dark. And here's for the other one. There's a set of 2. I don't know what's in here. I have no idea. Oh, it's probably the stakes for the ground. I'm guessing. And it's just about time to get all the fall stuff back out. I don't know what I have anymore. Because last year I was sick. I started getting sick in October, so I didn't get any of that put up. Nothing put up. So, yeah. And it also has whatever these are for. They Velcro dots? No, I don't know what they are. Sticky dots. Probably dual-sided sticky. Yeah. I'm going to put this all back in here so I don't lose all this crap. I don't know what that is either. I have no idea. Because I will lose it. Let's be honest. That's me. I am the girl who loses everything before she gets to use it. Because I don't leave things in the package. Because, well, that would be an organized person. And all the stuff that goes around in my head is total chaos, and I admit it. Okay, this is how it goes. Let's see. Okay. It goes this way. These 2 will go together. And then this cat with the hat. And I don't think this part actually lights up. I don't know what lights up on it. I'll have to see. Maybe you just need to have little lights around it or something so that that shows. Oh, it's got little holes right here. Maybe that's what you got to do, push the holes through. That could be. That could very well be. And probably you can let the other ones hang down because where it's right here, you can see through it. So you probably can see the light through it too. It's probably the gig. And it does have instructions. So we will put that all back in the bag together. I'm going to put it like this so I know it all goes together. There we go with that. And here's the other lamp. Well, chandelier. It's not a lamp yet until I make it one. Well, here's one of my shoes that I got from Temu about a year or 2 ago. And you know what's funny? I actually been wearing, no, I got these off Wish. And they do have one Temu, I did see that. I have been wearing these shoes for probably 5 years. Do you see this? These bees? I thought they were just randomly on there. No, actually, they're like little flowers. Yeah. We'll put them back. I probably put them in here because the girls are playing with them because, you know. Oh, of course. Let's see, here's my keys. To my old car. But, you know, you don't have this stuff on the new cars. Yeah, my sister helped me because I just didn't have it. And she used to work in it. Well, that's sweet. There's our cat. It says, hey, hope today feels as special as you are. It says, dear whoever. My one granddaughter loves cats. I don't particularly. But this is the throw. And it's just a small throw. It's pretty. But I got it really cheap. When I get these really cheap, I'll pick them up because, you know, you can't go wrong when they're really cheap. And it's pretty thin, so it'd be like, you know, on the summer evenings or autumn evenings when you're like out on the deck and it's a little chilly, or, you know, when you're hot like me, it's all good all winter long. Let's see what else we have in here. We have my other sandal that I got last time. Oh, here. Here's the mate. Maybe it. Yeah, I'm not going to keep these because they're just kind of very. I mean, I can't walk in these kind because I'm a flatlander and I moved to the hills. So anything that don't have a back or a thing between your toes to hold them on, I can't walk in them. You know, and it's really not worth breaking the hip. Oh, and then I got. Okay, I've got all that stuff done. And then I got this. This is the D8 printer. And it's a laser printer. And it did come with a roll of laser paper. And I'll get that working. And it's just like a black bar. But I'll put the picture up here. But I'll get it working and show you how well it did. But I'm sure, you know, the printer's a printer. So anyway, that is today's video. Come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.